Hey, what's up, y'all? This is my 2015 C7 Corvette Stingray. I've had this car for 5 years now. Well, it's going on to 6 now. I got it at 2015 or 2021. Stock wheels. Only thing I did to it really was wrap the roof in black. You can see that. Did that, and today I got some new headers installed with the X pipe and a dyno tune. So you can see the new headers, what they're looking like. It's 1 7/8. That's what it used to have. I'm gonna show you how it sounds. This is a manual transmission. That's the way to go. Here, get my phone. Now, so this is what I got done to it. It's got 1 7/8 headers with the X pipe. Installation and labor. We did the dyno tune. That was $600, and I put an AFE cold air intake. So this ran me for $2,100. This guy's cut me a break because I paid him cash. I always like to ask, hey, if I pay you cash, give me something tax free or something. So these guys were really cool that helped me out. So $2,100. I like the way it sounds. It performs well. I have the dyno tune here. I don't have what it did before because the dyno tuned it after the fact, and it's hitting about 455, maybe 460 on the dyno. So it's got more power. 456 at 130 miles an hour max torque. Came out real nice. I'm real happy with the setup.